cable and ladder. Let's get started. Hi, y'all. First of all, please check my description box for all the details, such as written pattern. So, today I'm going to show you how to knit this beautiful pattern. And actually, this is from bottom to top pattern. However, for just in case, I'm going to actually include the pattern from top down as well. Okay, so first of all, cast on. I knit few rows as garter stitch. That's for the frame. Okay, the pattern is within 2 markers. Okay, and I made 15. If you want to repeat, it's going to be multiple of 15. Okay, and let's start. Row number 1, right side. Okay, so after the marker, the pattern begins. Knit 1 and SSK. There we go. SSK, which is slip, slip, knit. So 1 decrease, but increase with yarn over and knit 12. This is it. Super easy pattern. Okay? But the lace design, lots of decreasing and yarn over to increase to create the design. So you got to be very careful. If you miss it, you ruin the pattern. Okay, there we go. So the garter stitch for the frame and row number 2, wrong side. Knit 1 to start and then purl 2 together. Okay, purl 2 together. There we go. And yarn over. This is a little bit tricky. So the pattern is purl to purl, and in between those 2 stitches, yarn over. So if I go like this, just yarn over, you can't really, make a purl. So you have to wrap, okay? Wrap like that. And then purl. Okay, and okay, so purl 2 together, yarn over, and then purl 11, then 1 last stitch, knit 1. So you really have to careful. You really have to be careful. The pattern usually doesn't say how to do yarn over. You know what I'm saying? So you kind of have to figure it out. But with my video, I'll show you exactly how to do the yarn over. Okay, if it's tricky. If not, just do yarn over. Okay, so row number 3, right side. Simple, but the cable knitting kicks in. Okay, and a little tricky part is the yarn over and cable knitting. So knit 1, SSK, same as row number 1. There you go. Then yarn over. So yarn front and C6B, which is cable 6 back. So pick up 3 stitches with the cable needle and hold it at the back and then knit. Make sure the yarn is, create the 1 stitch because you just did the yarn over. Okay, and then come back to the cable, then knit 3 stitch on the cable needle. Okay, so the tricky part is yarn over and cable knitting. Okay, you have to make sure still the yarn is front. That's it. And then knit 6. That's it. Okay, so it's not too difficult as long as you keep the yarn over, So, and I really like this design for the maybe in the center of the sweater. Okay, now row number 4, wrong side. Actually, every even number of the row, same as row number 2. But I'm going to show you one more time. Knit 1 to start and purl 2 together. And then yarn over and purl 11. I'll show you again. The yarn over from purl to purl, you have to wrap. Then yarn has to be front. Then start making a purl. Okay? Uh, again, yarn over, purl 11, and knit 1. And after that, very straightforward. So just, follow my written pattern. And next clip should be row number 7 because I don't really have to show you. Okay, there we go. So now row number 7, the cable knitting kicks in, and this time C6F instead of C6B. Okay, but everything else easy. Okay, so knit 1 and SSK, then yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Then C6F, cable 6 front. So pick up 3 stitches with the cable needle, hold it out front, and then knit 3. This is easy because there's no yarn over right in front of the cable knitting. And come back to cable needle, and then knit 6. However, this one, okay, right after the cable knitting, the yarn over right here, yeah, from the previous row. So if you drop that yarn over stitch, you ruin the pattern. So you have to be very careful. That's it. And then row 8 is the last row of this pattern, and you have to repeat from row number 1 to row number 8, as many as you want. And I'll show you what it's like after you repeat few times. There we go. So this is the pattern from bottom to top. And if you're knitting like a raglan sweater, you sometimes want to use the pattern from top to down. Okay, so it's really up to you. Okay, it's beautiful design, isn't it? And besides the cable, there's the gap lined up. Okay, it's really cute design, right? Thank you for watching and enjoy knitting. Bye for now.